Here we are today. We're looking at this beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath, almost 3,000 square foot home. This is in Esperanza in Boerne. This is an amazing home, ready for your family to move right in. I started at the street and I'm going to roll in now to the front door and kind of let you check it out. So as you come in, the first thing you can see, it has these beautiful hardwood floors throughout the whole here in this whole area. And it goes up, you see all the way through. This home opens up all the way down. It's a huge house. I'm going to come over here to the side and kind of show you as you come in the front door to the left. The first thing you have here is it has this real big, kind of like a living, or it could be an office, it could be a game room. It's separate than the 4 bedrooms. It's amazing. And then on this side, it has one of the other bedrooms. You see all the ceilings here are really, really high, really big and open. And you can see this huge bedroom this way. And then I'm going to come over here a little bit, and then you can see it has this great bathroom here shared by this bedroom. So this bedroom almost has its own like little mini master area. I'm going to walk through some more as we keep going into the house a little bit this way. You can see again how open this is, and it opens up with the hardwood floors all the way up. And then as you come in this way to the home and you check it out, this home has this huge, beautiful chef's kitchen. So there's the kind of eating in, dining, living room, whatever you want to call it. Opens up into this gorgeous chef's kitchen. Let me let you see the rest of it. Swing around this way. It has a built-in stove, microwave. It has a gas oven right over here. You can see the fancy range hood above the oven when I get there. And there it is, and it has a nice under counter sink. This is all granite, beautiful white granite all the way around. And then if you come this way, you can see this huge, that's a laundry room here as well. Big laundry, and then a big storage. Let me back up and let you see the storage. I'm going to come back around this way. So here's that home all the way around. And it has a fireplace here as well. You can see a nice gas fireplace. One of the things that Scott Felder does that I really like, I'm going to open up these big doors. As you came in, you saw those big double doors against the back wall. I'm going to turn around now and show you what happens when you open them up. So you can open up, all their homes have these big, beautiful patio doors, and you can open the home and walk right out the home like I am. So that if it's a beautiful day like today in Texas, you have to enjoy, you can go through and enjoy the beautiful homes. It does have water out here as well, you can see, already pre-built. Which cable electrical, it's already pre-installed here so you can hang your TV. You just got to connect it, ready to go. And you can see this home just happens to be on a greenbelt, which is beautiful. No one's going to bother you. So you have this big, beautiful nature behind you all the way around, nice and quiet, gorgeous. I don't hear anything, and I'm in the middle of Boerne. I'm going to come back in here now, and you can see this home is awesome because it has an extra floor up above, but I haven't even showed you the master yet. Let me shut this door. Try to keep their AC without going crazy. And then if you go in here in the master, again, it's still that beautiful hardwood throughout the whole house. It has a semi-bay window where it has a kick-out spot, so you have extra room for a larger bed in here. And then you have the master bathroom, is gorgeous. So a big standalone soaking tub, double sinks, one sink there, and its own toilet place to hide. It has this great own walk-in shower. Now this home has 2 closets. One big closet in here, and another one just like it on the other side. And then in the middle, of course, is where it has the place to hold the towels and all that kind of jazz. So we're going to come back this way now. Then we'll make our way up to look at the upstairs, because this was only the first floor. This home is huge, it's gorgeous. And then down here on the first floor, here's the entrance to the garage, which we'll go into that after. So we're coming up the stairs. Let me zoom up here. And then we come around. All right, and as you come up, you can see it's opened all the way through again to give you all that natural light and that beautiful space. And then you can come check it out. And it has this big game room. And then it opens again to a theater room. So this home is huge. It has game room, theater room, the office downstairs, or whatever you want to call it. Plus, it has the 4 bedrooms on top of that. It's amazing. I'm going to show one of the bedrooms here, or 2 of the bedrooms, I guess. So upstairs here, I'm turning the light on real quick. Here are the two bedrooms. They're both pretty good size. And they both have the big double door closets. You can see again, big bedrooms, and they share this master bathroom with even the bathroom in here has two sinks, which is very rare for an upstairs kind of separate space. So this home is ready right now. Love to show it to you and your family. Love to take you out and let you see it and move in. You could move in literally within 30 days. All closing costs are covered. And we can also help you get an incredible rate as low as in the high fours at no charge to yourself. We can buy the rate down and help you out. If you have any questions, want to learn more, love to talk to you soon.